Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be showing you the power of the product line and how to create a new listing very quickly. Let's get started. So once you're on Teachers Pay Teachers, you are going to want to go over to your store and then go to your products listing. So we have our page where we have our products listed. Now this is the power of a product line. So I created a printable Thanksgiving I Spy worksheet activity. I'm going to go over to Quick Edit, and then I am going to go over to create a similar listing. And what that does is it basically copies and pastes this whole listing with the description in it. So what you're going to do is you are going to upload your files. So I have my Hanukkah I Spy worksheet. I will upload my video preview. And I had all of these ready. And then I will upload my thumbnails now. And then I will go ahead and I will open up my images for my worksheet, for my thumbnails. And then what I will do is I will replace all the words of Thanksgiving with Hanukkah. And I'll just make sure I have consistency where I wanted to highlight, like have this in bold. I'll make sure it is bold. And then Thanksgiving gets replaced with Hanukkah. And do you see how easy it is to create a listing with having a product line? Okay, and then I will make sure I go down to my resources. Get rid of Thanksgiving and autumn, and then I will make sure I put in Hanukkah. I'll go ahead and add math because this is kind of a counting worksheet. I mean, it is a counting worksheet. And holidays and seasons. And it's at $3, so that looks pretty good. And now I will replace the word Hanukkah, Thanksgiving with Hanukkah, and you can see that in this short amount of time we have a new listing. So by creating product lines, you can copy your listings, upload it with the new material. You don't even have to rewrite your description. You just have to change a few words in there. And just double check that you don't have any Thanksgiving dropped in there. And then guess what? 5 pages, make listing active, and then I will click submit. And guess what? I have a new listing that literally took me about not even 5 minutes. And my video is being processed, but here is what my listing looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found value in it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.